Kahit parehong Pilipino ang mga magulang ni Russell, ipinanganak at lumaki na siya sa Amerika kaya't halos wala na siyang alam na salitang Tagalog.
Well, I'm a man of many wishes.
Your voice is good. Sobra mong pogi. My only problem again is that you don't speak Tagalog.
Judges asked me to start singing and speaking in Tagalog just because it takes time to learn it. So it's been something that I've allocated a lot of time towards. My dad actually grew up in a house of music. My grandma actually was a concert pianist. My parents have always really understood my passions and my beliefs and my ideals, so I really do feel their support. I've definitely spent a lot of time and a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to prepare my songs to get past the next round.